Hi students, welcome to Business Ethics and Corporate Governance. So let us see what is meant by ethics. So ethics is a part of philosophy concerned with the meaning of all aspects of human action. Maybe in theoretical ethics, sometimes called normative ethics. So, origin of the word ethics. The word ethics is derived from the Latin word that is ethikos, and in a Greek it is called ethikos. These words originated from ethikos, meaning like character or manner. Ethics is said to be the source of morals. Ethics are nothing but the application of ethics in business. Ethics refers to the assessment of the ethical values, philosophy, and principle of human being conduct and its process in our daily life to establish acceptable human performance. It examines the moral rational judgment for the moral judgment also, and it is said to be that studies what is morally right or wrong or just or unjust. Ethics means code of conduct. It tells a person how to behave with the other person. Ethics is also commonly defined as a set of principles, proceeding, behavior code, explaining what is good and bad. It may even outline moral duties and obligation. It is a worth stressing that by right or wrong, we mean that morally right and wrong. For example, commercially, strategically, or financially. Right or wrong, moreover, by the business ethics. So, business ethics is a form of applied ethics or professional ethics that examines ethical principles and moral or ethical problems that can be arise in the business environment. It also applies to all aspects of business, contact, etc. Next one, definition of business ethics. According to Andrew Crane, business ethics is the study of business situations, activities, and decisions where issues of right and wrong are addressed. So, we should understand that business ethics are moral principle that define right and wrong behavior in the business world or world of business. So it is also rules of business conduct, and it also related to the behavior of managers. Next topic, evaluation of business ethics. The study of business ethics evaluated through 5 stages like 1960s, 1970s, 1980s, 1990s, and 2000. So in 1960, before the 1960, business ethics were discussed primarily through a religious perspective. It was in the 1962 that John F. Kindley established the Consumer Bills of Rights. So it is outlined at four basic consumers' rights: right to safety, the right of to be informed, the right choose, and the right to be heard. In 70s, business professors begins to write and teach about social responsibility and organization obligation to maximize it in the positive way. In 1980s, Center of Business Ethics provide publication, courses, conference, seminars, ethics committees, and also social policy committees. In other one, 1990s, in this 1990s, business with international operation set up new ethical issues. for taking action to prevent misconduct, such as developing effective internal, legal, and ethical compliance program. And the last one, in 2000 and behind, ethics are the part of core organizational values. So in this way, they can develop of business ethics. So let us conclude the topic. Ethics are most important not only in the business but in all the aspects of life, because it is an essential part of foundation on which of a civilized society. So it tells a person how to behave with the another person.